All right, I'm going to be explaining to you how you use drawing pencils. So, drawing pencils come with different types of leads on the inside, and the label on the pencil teaches you what type of lead is on the inside, and this exercise we're going to do today is going to help you understand what the pencils look and feel like on the paper. So, first of all, there's 5 different pencils that I bought that give us a good range of dark, medium, and light grays. And I painted the end of these pencils so that you could quickly and easily take one of each color from the cup at your table, just so you know that you have all 5 of the pencils. But what you need to understand is how to read the label at the end. So every drawing pencil will have a number and a letter printed. So the red pencil is 6B. The yellow pencil is 4B. The green pencil is 2B. Blue is HB. And the purple one is a 4H. So the reason why this is helpful to know is because inside these pencils, the graphite density is different. So a B pencil is always going to be a darker lead. I remember B for bold. An H pencil is going to be a lighter color lead, and I remember H for highlight. So the reason why this is helpful is because artists will choose specific pencils to draw with when they try to create a pencil drawing based upon how light or how dark they want the drawing to become. So on this worksheet, you are going to sample all 5 of these pencils. So the first thing you're going to do is complete this grid right here on the left-hand side. So the first pencil you're going to use is the red one, and that is your 6B pencil. So what I want you to do is practice shading with the side of the pencil and trying to shade smooth and fill in that space with regular amount of hand pressure. So the amount of pressure that I would use to write with. Then you're going to switch out for the next pencil, which is your yellow, and that one is the 4B. And this pencil lead is going to start to get a little bit lighter. Now you also have to control your hand pressure, because if I press as hard as I can right now, yes, I can get it darker than my 6B up above. So just kind of adjust your hand pressure as needed. You'll see that the pencil lead fades as you switch out pencils. So the next one is your green, which is the 2B pencil. And I'm going to notice, or you should notice, as you're coloring and drawing, that the pencils start to feel different on the paper. So now I'm on my blue, which is my HB, and H stands for highlight. So this lead has a lighter density, and the lead itself is more sharp and pointy. So when you get to this purple pencil, you're going to notice that the pencil itself is very pointy and scratchy, and it doesn't get rounded at the end. That's because the graphite on the inside is made so that the color appears to be a lighter value. So when you finish this, you should be able to see a change from dark to light. So you also have to control your hand pressure as you do that. Alright, the next thing you're going to do is create a value scale that fades from dark to light across each row using one single pencil across the entire row. So it doesn't matter to me what order you go in. I'm just going to start with the red one, which is the 6B. So in this first one, what you're going to do is press hard, and you're going to layer. So now I'm going to press even harder and keep layering, layer, layer, layer. I want to get this as dark as I can. Now I'm going to keep that same pencil in my hand, and now in the second box, I'm going to adjust my hand pressure to make a lighter value. And you want this to fade gradually, and each box is going to get lighter and lighter. So in this example, this is too much of a difference between dark and light. It's not fading gradually, so I'm going to come back and layer, press slightly harder to get that a little darker, because I want it to change gradually. Because now this third box needs to become lighter, and now I'm going to go lighter. I'm not going to press as hard, and my last box should be the lightest value in that row. So just my hand pressure created this value change. And then I'm going to repeat that with my next pencil. So I would do the 4B, 2B, HB, and the bottom row is going to be my 4H. So I'm just going to skip to this bottom row. And, I'll make sure I have the right pencil in my hand. There we go. Actually, I'm going to erase this. If you get the wrong pencil, erase it and start over. Okay, so the 4H is never going to get as dark as the 6B because the graphite on the inside is a different density. You're going to see that it's lighter, and you're going to have a harder time filling it in smoothly because the lead is pointy. This lead is similar to mechanical pencil lead, and you just can't shade as easily with a mechanical pencil like you can with a regular pencil. But the same concept applies. I'm going to adjust my hand pressure, and I'm going to start to get lighter and lighter and lighter as I go across. So when I grade this, I'm looking to see, did you show value change? Does it actually get lighter and lighter and lighter? Did you show good hand control, good craftsmanship? When you finish, this is what your map should look like. So what you're creating is a map of all the 5 different drawing pencils, and this will become helpful in the future. You can look at your map and decide, what pencil should I choose to create my darkest shadows? What pencil should I choose to create for my lightest areas? And what hand pressure should I work with to create those gray tones? And this is going to be a reference for you to use later on.